The OP stack, what is it? It's our open source software stack designed to power blockchain ecosystems built for the Optimism Collective. That includes, of course, the whole chain software, right? The decentralized stack required for spinning up chains, the consensus layer, execution layer. The whole reason why we got into this thing was because we wanted to contribute back to the open source software. Experimentation cannot, should not, must not equal fragmentation. What does that mean? That means that we are starting to form a superstructure. The Superchain, we're back, baby. The Superchain, birthed through the OP stack, through these standards, through the shared compatibility, the atomic composition, shared sequencer set. We start seeing this thing, the replacement of the Web 2 infra stack with decentralized alternatives that can power horizontally scalable applications. And this is not multi-chain, right? Everyone is a part of the collective. We're all part of this network. Additionally, this is not the mono chain, right? Because at the same time as we're all interconnected, we're also not, the same, right? There is still multiplicity. There's still biodiversity. We are forming the Optimism Collective. Why? We want humans to be valued over capital. We want identity, citizens, etc. We want impact to be profitable. Why now, right? Why is this so critical now? It's because we are entering a new era in the internet. So that's why we're building the OP stack as an open source public good, right? We're funding public goods retroactively. We need to be doing this on a massive scale. Our social institutions for funding public goods are not adequate. And we need to be providing people identities so we measure human utility so we can maximize impact and give profit to people.